Hello! Greetings mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers natin out there. And sana po nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So for today's video, we will be featuring this telescope. This is the Vixen Voyager P80 Refracting Telescope. Alright, so bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating video for today, let's watch this fantastic intro. Alright mga ka-Skywatchers, we're back after that fantastic intro. Greetings mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And sa lahat po ng ating mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers na nakatutok po ngayon sa ating vlog worldwide and netwide. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. This is your Skywatcher and ka-Spacer, Sir Jun Cahigal from the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. And welcome to another of our vlog, telescope vlog for today. So, ang featured telescope po natin sa ating video is this telescope. This is the Vixen Voyager T80M Refracting Telescope. And as usual, nakita ko lang po ito sa isang Japan surplus shop na nakatambak lang po. Actually, it is just the optical tube assembly yung nakita ko sa Japan surplus shop. Talagang it's all beaten up. Talagang halos wala nang pakinabang, pero alam niyo naman ako. So I love to resurrect old telescopes. Parang naging passion ko na rin po yan. So, gusto ko talagang mag-ayos, magkumpuni ng mga lumang at sirang telescope. So, nung nakuha ko po ito sa Japan surplus shop, wala po siyang eyepiece and wala siyang tripod. Right? And medyo maraming gas-gas. So, talagang ginawang ko lahat ng paraan para mabuhay itong ating Voyager refracting telescope. And what attracted me is not really the telescope itself, but what really attracted me are two things. One is the name, Voyager. This is reminiscent of the Starship Voyager, no? Star Trek Voyager. Alam niyo naman po ako, I am really an avid fan of Star Trek. Yan po. Alright, live long and prosper. So, I was really attracted by the name Voyager. This is reminiscent of Star Trek Voyager. Ang captain po niyan ay si Captain Catherine Janeway. Yan, maganda po yan, Star Trek Voyager. The second reason is the name Voyager is reminiscent of the two Voyager space probes, Voyager 1 and 2. Alam natin po ay yung dalawang space probes na yan. They visited Jupiter, they visited Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, then they went out and they are now in interstellar space. Yan po, no? So talagang doon ako na-attract, no, sa pangalan Voyager, and also yung color niya. Kakaiba po yung kulay ng optical tube assembly. Yan, yellow. Saan kayo nakakita ng telescope na kulay yellow po ang optical tube assembly? And it attracts people. Siyempre, usually mga telescopes, kulay puti yung OTA niya or blue, pero ito yellow. So pag nakita ng mga tao na yellow yung telescope, pupuntahan po nila yan. So yun po yung mga reasons kung bakit ko kinuha itong Vixen Voyager Refracting Telescope. And again, mga ka-sky watchers, a refracting telescope uses lenses to collect the light and produce the magnified image of the distant object. Samahan niyo po ako and let's take a look at this telescope na talagang binuhay ko from the dead. The Vixen Voyager T80M Refracting Telescope. Let's go! Samahan niyo po ako. Alright mga ka-sky watchers, so let's dive deeper into this telescope, the Vixen Voyager Refracting Telescope. Ayan, so ito yung kanyang specs. Ayan, so the diameter of the objective lens is 80 mm and the focal length is 900 mm. Voyager T80M Refracting Telescope from Vixen. Okay, alam niyo naman ng Vixen, may pangalan na yan. So, pag mga telescopes ay Japan-made, talagang you can expect quality. Ayan, so nung nakuha ko ito sa Japan Surplus Shop, wala siyang eyepiece. So, I have to buy this is a star diagonal, 0.95 star diagonal. This telescope can accommodate 0.9 barrel diameter eyepiece. Ayan, so kinabit ko ito sa isang adapter, so that I can attach a 1.25 barrel diameter eyepiece. Kasi ito yung medyo, mas maganda kasi pag 1.25. It gives you a larger field of view. Alright, ang gamit kong eyepiece ay this is a Plausil eyepiece. Ayan, no? Alright, 25 mm. Alright. Ayan, so this eyepiece gives me a larger field of view. Okay, and wala itong lock. So, ginawan ko lang siya ng paraan. Ito. So, this is a lock na in-install ko. And maganda naman yung movement ng draw tube. Yan. Maganda yung rack and pinion niya. Linagyan ko din siya ng grasa sa loob para smooth yung paggalaw ng draw tube. Tawag ko dito nun body tube. Parang microscope. Yan. Pero ang tawag talaga dyan is optical tube assembly. Ito yung yellow. Alright. Okay, that's the focuser, draw tube, and eyepiece assembly. And kakaiba din itong orientation ng finder scope. Para hindi sagabal dito sa focuser eyepiece. And meron siyang compass. Ayun, ang galing nga eh. Saan ka nakakita ng telescope na may compass na ganito? Alright. And again, as I mentioned earlier, what really attracted me is the color. Kasi pag nag-astronomy outreach kami, ang gusto ko talaga maraming tao. And yung color ng optical tube assembly or body tube really attracts people. Saan kayo nakakita ng telescope na kulay yellow? Kaya pag nakita ng tao, puntahan natin yan. Ayan, so pipilaan na to ng tao kasi yung yellowish color niya. Ayan, okay, kakaiba kasi. Alright. And ito yung mount. This is an Altazimuth mount and aluminum tripod legs. Ayan, so binili ko din to sa isang Japan Surplus Shop. Ayan, ito lang yung hiwalay kasi yung kinuha ko itong OTA, ito lang. So, I have to look for another Japan Surplus Shop para makuha ko itong AZ mount o Altazimuth mount. This is a Vixen AZ mount with aluminum tripod legs. Ayan. So, nung nakuha ko ito, wala siyang eyepiece tray. So, ginawang ko na lang ng paraan. Plastic ito yung sa mga batya. Ayan, binutasan ko na lang, dinilagyan ko ng tornilyo. And para this will serve as the eyepiece tray. Ayan, ano lang, diskarte lang. Alright. Okay, hindi napakinabangan. Diba? Alright. So, this is the left and right motion, slow motion knob. Ito naman yung up and down slow motion knob. And para makabit ko yung optical tube assembly sa mount, gumawa na lang ako ng parang adapter. Ito yung flat bar. Dinala ko siya sa Metalworks. Pinabutasan ko. Pinaputol ko para magkasya dito. Then, konting pintura lang. Yan, para makabit ko yung OTA dito sa Altazimuth mount. Then, tinurnilyohan ko dito. Ayan. 2 tornilyo. Ayan. So, diskarte lang. Alright. Voyager. Wow. Okay. Alright, mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers. So, that's it. That's the Vixen Voyager Refracting Telescope. T80M. Alright, so ayan po yung ating featured telescope for this video. The Vixen Voyager T80M Refracting Telescope. Ayan, so sana marami kayong natutunan sa ating video. So, the moral lesson is, kahit na nakatambak lang yan, parang alam yung walang pakinabang yung gamit, in this case, yung telescope, dahil nakita ko lang po ito nakatambak sa isang Japan surplus shop, pwede pang buhayin, pwede pang mapakinabangan. And this telescope, mga ka-Skywatchers, is one of our workhorse sa aming mga astronomy outreach free public telescope viewings. And marami na ho ang nakasilip dito, and this telescope had inspired young minds. So, talagang nagpapasalamat ako at talagang it's a matasabi nating destiny na nakita ko ito sa isang Japan surplus shop, and it was resurrected from the dead. Yan, the Vixen Voyager 80mm refracting telescope. Ayan po, no? So, wag lang po kayong basta tapon ng gamit. Tingnan natin, baka may pakinabang pa yan. Alright, so hanggang dito na lang po tayo sa ating video. And again, mga ka-Skywatchers, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, the Skywatchers Society of Las Piñas. Malaking tulong po yan, no, para mapagpatuloy po namin ang aming advocacy to share the telescope to the public and to inspire young minds, making the cosmos accessible to all. Yan po yung aming motto. Yan po, no? So, malaking tulong po yan if you will follow us, like and share this video, no? Again, para makarating po sa maraming tao. And follow me also on my YouTube channel. May YouTube channel po ko, The Science Guy, Professor Jun Cahigal. Please subscribe. Mag-subscribe na po kayo sa aking YouTube channel. And click on that notification bell para updated po kayo sa aming mga future videos. No, malaking tulong po yan sa amin. Alright? And sa mga mall administrators na nakikinig, baka gusto nyo po kaming imbitahan. And so that we can fulfill our advocacy to share the telescope to the public. And sa mga schools, we also conduct astro camping activities sa mga eskwelahan. Alright, so hanggang dito na lang po tayo. Or kung gusto niyo mag-donate din ng telescope para mapakinabangan po ng Skywatcher Society at papasilip po natin sa maraming tao yung telescope na i-donate po ninyo. Yan, malaking tulong po yan. in our advocacy to promote astronomy to the public. Alright, so maraming salamat. Live long and prosper. And don't forget to always keep your space and always keep looking up. Yan. Stress-free po yan. Pag nakatingin kayo sa kalawakan, yan, nakakatanggal po ng stress. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!